I am Kate, and I am a big fan of the piece of fabric from Texture Clothing. And one of the great applications for this is if you are out and about and juggling many things, including a small baby, you can make a really quick carrier. So you start with the fabric around your shoulder, just hanging down about to your waist, and then put your very cooperative baby on your hip. Bring the fabric over baby's back and under their bum. So you want to get a decent amount of fabric kind of under their bum. And then you want their legs in that healthy M position. All right, baby. So then you bring the fabric long tail over the short tail. And then you go over, under, and through. And then that makes a very adjustable slip knot. So then you can fan it out over your other shoulder to keep you comfortable. And then slide it to tighten up for your baby. And should you want to nurse and you want a little privacy, your baby can just kind of go under the little nursing area, or if your baby's napping, you can support their head with that little extra fabric. So this baby is a weighted baby wearing doll, and it weighs what mine weighed, so it's a 10-pound baby and a 20-inch little body. So you could start with a little one, maybe even up to a 2-year-old, but not for so long because it hurts your shoulder after a while. But that is one way to style your piece of fabric.